Okay, I'm gonna prove to you how easy it is to change your own lenses, whether you just want to change them to a different color or maybe you want prescription lenses, which is what I'm doing today. It is actually pretty easy to do it yourself, and it's a lot cheaper than getting it done at LensCrafter or any of those like glasses stores. So to prove this to you, I am actually going to change out the lenses on my limited edition Ray-Ban Metas, which is like kind of risky, but I've done this before. So I actually changed them out on these pair already. So this already has prescription lenses in here for me, and they've been fantastic. So for all the lenses that vrwave sent to me, and thank you vrwave for sponsoring this video, but also sending me all these lenses to try out. They have prescription lenses for all of the Ray-Ban Metas, including the, of course, the Wayfarer frames, but for both medium and large. They also have them for the Skylar frames and the headliners. This is kind of what they come in and what they look like. This is, let's see, this is number 3, clear / gray photochromic lens is what it says. And they come in these little bags. They just literally look like this. This is a clear and chromic lens. Okay. So I do have a blue light or a blue light thingy, so I can check what the transition is on them. So I don't think this has any transition. If it did, it would change colors. No, so that's a straight up clear one, which is what I want. So let me show you first how to take them out, and then I'll show you how to order them and how cheap they are on their website. I think generally prescription lenses probably run you about a couple $100 from what I'm researching, but on vrwave's website, so I put in my prescriptions, and if I'm just doing a transparent lens, and let's just put in some random numbers. I can't remember my prescription anymore. Maybe say 1 and then a minus 50. Okay, so if we did that, you can add the blue light filter, so that plus $12, but I'm gonna say no. Then you can also add an anti-glare for another $12. I'm gonna put no for this one. So these come out to about $90, which is pretty good. And then you can just pop them in yourself. So this is how you do it. Okay, you're going to take your Ray-Ban Metas and hold it like so. And then you're just going to make sure you're holding it in this direction, and you're going to push this lens out in that direction, okay? You always want to push forward, never in the opposite direction, okay? Okay, I popped one out. I stood up and did it. I just needed like a little bit more pressure. Again, you just have to be a little careful, but it'll pop out, I promise. There, okay, it does pop out. You just push it forward, and now I'm gonna put the new lens in. So this is R on here for right. I just take that off. I'm gonna do the same thing. So you're always pushing forward no matter what. So here's the lens, here's the Ray-Ban Metas, and this is the lens. I'm kind of like putting in the corner first, and then just massaging it in there. I just need to get it to pop into that one corner. There, it's in. Okay, I know that looked really scary, and that was kind of how that looks. Okay, I've got my fingerprints all over it. I'm gonna put in the right one now, the other one. Whew. This is the left one. Okay, again, it's like, you know, just be careful, basically. It does work. Oh, this one clicked in so much easier. Ah! Woo! Okay, well, this is actually really dirty right now. I have my lens cleaner spray. I'm just gonna spray that on. And obviously always use a lens cloth to do this so that it's nice and clean. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know why I'm so excited? Because these always had the transition lenses in them. And while I do love having transition lenses because it's like, it's nice to be able to use them as sunglasses, I want to be able to wear glasses with prescriptions in them that don't transition. I just think it just looks a little bit cuter if I'm wearing them indoors and they're not transitioning. Okay, and now, oh wow, everything's so clear. Now these have my prescriptions in them. I feel like I made that look a little bit scarier than it actually is. It's just that my nails are a little long, so they're probably not the best to do this. But even with nails, I was able to put them in just perfectly fine. And like vrwave has been making like prescription lenses for ages. Like I have talked about them on my channel for so long because they've made them for VR for a long time. And I'm so happy that they're making them for now Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Again, I have been using the prescription lenses in these other ones for quite some time now. If you want to get prescription lenses in your Ray-Ban Metas, get them for as cheap as $90 on VRWave's website. We can take a look together real quick. Right, so on their website, there is a ton of different options. Again, you can select your model, what type you want. They even have the low bridge fit headliner on here, which is great. And then they have a bunch of different colors, transparent or even a dark gray color. And you can get them with transition lenses in them or without transition lenses in them. Like their prescription lenses, fantastic. Highly recommend. I will link this website down in the description below if you're interested, and let me know if you guys have any questions. But yeah, it's pretty easy to do, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.